Hi, this is Jan with IQRF, and this video is Introduction for IQRF manufacturers. The purpose of this tutorial is to introduce to the manufacturers the whole process of IQRF transceiver integration into his product, so the device can achieve wide RF range, wireless communication is reliable, and the product is user-friendly and interoperable with the IQRF ecosystem. In the next videos you will learn which development tools you can use to start designing the project, what free software sources you can use for your development. We'll explain what the IQRF transceiver software architecture is. We will show all the basic methods of building the IQRF network, as well as a network enumeration and backup. We will explain the DPA packet structure and basic commands for monitoring and controlling the IQRF network. We will show you how routing in IQRF networks works, including the fast response command, and explain the difference between STD and STD plus LP network. You can use custom DPA handler to customize IQRF transceiver behavior. We'll show you where to find the IQRF standard description to create an interoperable device using your custom DPA handler. We'll show you IQRF transceiver variants and recommendations for their placement in a product to get the best wireless parameters. We will explain the whole certification process to prepare the IQRF interoperable product, and we will introduce the next steps for its sales and promotion. In the next video, you will learn which development tools you can use for your development and how to test the wireless RF range. To learn more about the technology, you can browse the IQRF.org or watch other IQRF videos, or find already existing projects on the IQRFalliance.org. Make your products wireless. It's simple.